Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. On the gold market, guys, you can see just minor changes have happened. So mostly market stands inside the flag that we have discussed yesterday. So, this bullish continuation pattern. And for the daily chart, it's really not big difference whether the market will or could show its upward action immediately or will show another minor swing inside of the flag pattern. So overall picture will remain the same as until market stands in the flag consolidation. It still will be treated as the potential bullish continuation pattern. So for us, yesterday's major concern was about the depth of the retracement on the intraday charts. And as market has failed to complete our conditions that we have specified, one of them was moving above the weekly pivot point, and especially it was confirmed and supported by the Yellen speech. She said that it's mostly time has come to starting to rate hiking. It was a bit more hawkish comments compared to what market has expected. That brings some support to the United States dollar, and this also makes the pressure on the gold. So that's why we think that currently the chances the market still will reach 12.15, 12.14 area are real significant, especially because today we will get the inflation data, release CPI, and the retail sales. So on the forward time frame chart, you see the major picture that we will be monitoring today. So take a look. Yesterday market already, although it has tried to pass through the weekly pivot point, but it has failed. First, it's happening here. It's right now, and it's dropped on the Yellen comments. Although the multiple, as you can see, bullish grabbers are forming here. Currently, guys, I'm not sure that they will work. Mostly, I think that it seems that very probable the market will form the butterfly here. Anyway, the condition of the failure of this setup, of the further downward retracement, stands the same. So if market will move above the weekly pivot point and taking out of this top, it will erase both patterns, as this ABCD pattern as the butterfly pattern. From that standpoint, nothing has changed. But currently, guys, based on action that I see and based on the background that we have in the short-term perspective, it seems that downward drop here looks more probable. So if market will form here the butterfly, as you can see, the 127 of the butterfly extension stands precisely at the same area where it stands this ABC top D target. So appearing of the butterfly and completion of this ABCD target right in the confluence support in the previous top area shall be very good background for possible taking the long position on the gold market. That's, I think, that the setup that we should wait a bit for. So we should wait a bit more for them. Currently, guys, I do not see any good signs for taking the long position because we do not have any bullish reversal patterns. Instead of that, market shows some kind of the signs of weakness, so it wasn't able to pass through the weekly pivot. Within a few hours, we will get the important statistics release. Market is showing some downward action here. That's why I think that it's probably completion of this pattern seems more probable. It's interesting, guys, whether we will get here possible the free drive pattern. If we will calculate 1618 extension instead, that they will coincide with this butterfly. Not quite, so you can see 1618 stands a bit deeper compared to this one. Anyway, this butterfly will be also a very important pattern, and I think that we need to keep watching for the completion of this pattern because, guys, this area, this combination of the strong level and the targets looks more preferable for taking the long position than right now. So here we in fact have no support here. That's why I think that it's better to wait for completion of these patients, or if they will not be completed, market will start to move up. In this case, it's probably we could think about taking some position on retracement, but currently we can't just foresee that. So in this case, you will have to make the action on your own. So on the technical picture that we see right now, we think that this scenario right now is more preferable when you think about taking the long position rather than trying to jump in right at the current levels.